Hi everybody, Abe here. Wanted to do a quick review of this machine, the Jura N8 Touch. It's a pretty popular, nice looking, super automatic coffee machine for the home user. There's plenty of reviews about this machine, which is why I'm just gonna get straight to the point of why I wanted to make this video. There's a couple of gripes that I have with this machine. I'm gonna start with the first one. This machine, this is a drink that I just made, a flat white. Very, very, very globby, thick foam. You can see those big bubbles in there. You can see the foam. Not so great. The other major gripe that I have with this machine, which is actually a much bigger gripe, is this is a drink that I just made literally 30 seconds ago. If I put a thermometer in there, you see it reads around 50 degrees Celsius. I mean, that's not a lot. That's way below the drinking temperature that you want your drink. You would want your drink around the 70s, right? Water, the espresso should be around the realm of 90 degrees Celsius. The milk should be around 60. When you put a 60 degree milk in a 90 degrees Celsius espresso, it should give you a drink of about sometimes, yeah, in that range of 70. The point is 50 is way too low, way too cold for drinking. This machine is equipped with a couple of accessories. You have the Jura official milk jug, the pipe. It's a pretty neat setup. I don't know about this pipe, because when I had the clear pipe, you can see this pipe gets really dirty inside, and because it's covered with that stainless steel spring, with that steel spring, then you're not able to tell when it's time to clean the machine. Other than that, this machine has conical bears, single boiler. I'm speaking in those terms, but what basically I mean that it cannot make an espresso and milk at the same time, or espresso and hot water at the same time. This is a one function at a time machine. Makes pretty good espresso. Drinks are pretty good. Milk quality is poor. Like I said, very thick milk. Maybe for cappuccinos, you can pass. But sometimes when you get to the end of a big latte, there's way too much foam at the bottom of the cup, and it's just not so pleasing. And the drinks are too cold. But other than that, it's definitely a nice looking machine. Very intuitive, touch screen. 12 different drinks that you can do on this machine. If you just press this, you can cycle through the drinks. Macchiato, ristretto, cappuccino, latte macchiato. All in one press of a button. It's gonna grind, temp, brew, and milk, all in one press of a button for my home use, which is pretty good. I've looked with Jura to see about the water temperature issue, or the drink temperature issue, may I say, because it's also the milk temperature that's too low. And it doesn't seem like my machine has a specific problem. And in fact, I went to the showroom in my country. I live in Israel, and I have seen that other machines made a similar temperature drink. So that's my review for the Jura N8 Touch. Pretty nice little home coffee machine. I'm for sure going to be upgrading. I drink mainly filters, so I didn't see the need to buy a semi-automatic espresso machine with a dedicated grinder. I can take you right here to this part of my kitchen. You can see my filter gear, my fellow stag, fellow ode. Excuse the baby bottles there. Got my trusty Hario V60. Yeah, so I mainly drink filter coffee. So I bought this machine mainly to host people, and I got a lot of complaints from my guests about the drink temperature and the milk quality. So these are two things that definitely need a big improvement. If you're considering this machine, I thought it's worth knowing. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.